I cannot even believe I made butter. I made real butter, and it came out good. Let me try and show you how I did this. I did not start my day thinking I was going to make butter. I went to the grocery store to buy butter, and it was almost $7 a pound. It was 6.99. Yeah, enough said. I bought a quart of heavy cream for 2.99. At this point, I am just letting it do its thing. The whisk is whisking. Um, I think I mentioned this is my KitchenAid Series 5 professional mixer. And using the whisk attachment, you see it's starting to get really thick. It's getting to that curdle point here. At this point, it's starting to really separate. And what's happening is basically the buttermilk is separating from the solids. The butter is forming. Right here, it had formed into a ball and was separating. And that's the buttermilk. I just poured that off, kept it separate. Now, at this point, I made a mistake. I should have been rinsing it in ice cold water. Some people use an ice bath with water and large cubes, but I was just doing it with water and it was actually trying to melt on me. So, next time, I'll know to do it with cold water. Final result, butter is in the glass dish and buttermilk on top. It was great.